Do you ever need to plot your oscilloscope channels against each other? Use the hardware-accelerated XY mode on the MXO3 oscilloscope to simply do this. Traditional oscilloscope operation plots voltage as a function of time, and multiple channels can be plotted simultaneously. In XY mode, one channel is plotted against another channel, not as a function of time. XY mode is typically a special mode on the scope that allows you to select which channels are X and Y. Here you can see that we are plotting the X and Y signals that we are measuring. Set up which channels you want to configure in the menu and enable the capability. Check out an MXO oscilloscope in your lab. See the difference.